This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Word and signing in so your templates and settings sync. If Office is not installed, download from Microsoft using your account, then run the installer and follow prompts. Once done, launch Finder, go to Applications, and double-click Microsoft Word. Make sure automatic updates are enabled in Word Preferences so you get current features. You'll now be at the Word home screen ready to choose a template or open an existing document. You create structure by selecting a template or a blank document, then immediately apply styles for consistent formatting. Use heading 1 for major sections and normal for body text. Once done, use the ribbon's Insert tab to add images, tables, charts, and citations. The Format tab appears when an object is selected. Make sure to use track changes if collaborating, and save versions via File Save As or Auto Save to OneDrive. This keeps layout predictable and editing reversible. You finish by proofreading with spelling and grammar, then use Read Aloud to catch tone and pacing. Once done, apply final styles, update the table of contents if used, and export to PDF through File Export for sharing. Make sure Auto Save completed before closing. If Word behaves oddly, freezes, won't open, or loses formatting, quit the app, reset Word preferences, and, if needed, reinstall Office. Check OneDrive sync conflicts as a common cause. Save a backup copy to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.